Hey cat lovers, I'm Helmi. Do you want to keep your cat entertained and well fed, or while saving money on expensive toys? Well, I got the perfect solution for you in today's video. I'm going to show you how to make an easy DIY cat toy food dispenser that have your kitty playing along for hours and snacking along the way. Let's get started. So for this project, you're going to need just a few basic materials, things you probably already have around your house. Here's what we'll be using. I use toilet roll, any size, but small or medium works best. A utility scissors. Colors, you may use watercolor or pastel color that suit your budget and interests. I use A4 paper, glue, and finally, your cat's favorite treats, a dry food. Super simple, right? Let's dive into making a fun part. Let's make the toy. Alright, first up, grab your used toilet paper roll and a pair of scissors or utility knife. Be careful with this step. You don't want to hurt yourself. We're going to make a small hole around the used toilet paper roll, just big enough for the treats to fall out or come out when your cat plays with it. Now, I like to make about 2 or 3 holes around the sides to make sure the holes are not too big or all the food will come pouring out too easily. We want to make sure our cat works for their treats. You can also sand down the edges if they feel sharp to avoid any accidents. Safety first for you and your kitty. So now we're going to make an ear. Push both sides so they can come closely, look like this, and look a little bit like a cat ear, like this. When you got a shape like this, don't forget to use a glue on the down part here to make sure it sticks. And now we got the shape like this. It looks like ear and a little hole, mouth. Here's the fun part. You want to get a little creative. You can decorate your food dispenser to make it more fun for you and your cat. I'm using some color pen, but you can use markers, stickers, whatever you like. It's totally optional, but hey, if your cat's going to play with it every day, why not make it look cute, right? And now, after you color it and decorate, it look like this. It look like a little cat with an ear, a mouth where the food come out, and a polka dot around the body. Now that our used toilet paper rolls are prepped and decorated, it's time to fill it with the good stuff. Your cat's favorite treats or dry food. I'm using this one. Tasty little treats my cats love, but feel free to use whatever your cats prefers. Just remember, don't overfill it. About halfway is perfect over here. So there's still a room for the treats to move around and fall out. when your cat pets at it. We already put the treats inside here. And finally, use A4 paper, crumb it, and put it over here to avoid the treats or the cat food to fall out. Easy, right? Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see how the kitty likes this DIY toy. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see how my kitty likes this DIY toy. Look at that. It's like a little treasure hunt for them. So entertaining and stimulating. Plus, it gives your cat some exercise, which is super important for their health. And the best part, you made it yourself. Well, there you have it, a simple, fun, and affordable DIY food dispenser that keeps your cat entertained and happy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun DIY projects for you and your furry friends. Oh, don't forget, let me know in the comments how your cat like the toy. I like to hear your stories. Goodbye, thanks for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye for now.